How to fix Outlook too many request error. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to fix this error on your device. So right here, the first step you need to take is to go to your browser on your PC, just like this. So right here on the screen is my browser, and this is my Chrome browser. So in order for you to actually fix this error message, the first step you need to actually take right here is to go ahead and click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen, like this. So once you do this, the next step you need to take right here is to go ahead and click on extensions. You can see that right here. You can go ahead and click on that like this and click on manage extensions. So once you do that, looking right here, you're going to see all your extensions. So the first step you need to take is to delete all those extensions by clicking on remove like this, and remove all those extensions like this. After removing these extensions, the next step you need to take right here on your browser like this is to go ahead and click on the three dots icon at the top right corner as well. Scroll down to the bottom in order to go to your settings. Looking right here on the screen, you can see the settings option. So you need to go ahead and click on settings. So right here on your settings, looking right here at the left corner of the screen, you can see where it says privacy and security. So you need to go ahead and click on that. Right here you can see where it says third-party cookies. So you need to click on that in order to expand that section. So looking right here, you can see where it says see all site data and permissions. So you need to click on that. Looking there, you can see all this. So right here, in order for you to actually fix this problem, you need to click on the search button right here on the screen and type in Outlook. Type in Outlook like this. So once you search in Outlook like this, you're going to see some of the things that are going to actually appear here. So you need to click on it to delete it. Now if you're not seeing anything right here, it actually means that you don't have any problem on your browser. Now with these steps, you would be able to fix this error message. So this is how simple it is to fix too many request error on your Outlook. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.